Well, hello everybody, good afternoon, and welcome back to the channel. I haven't been going out much on Frankie here, but today I am. I'm on my way to a biker down course. First we've got to go past the mini golf, and the big whale there. A shipwreck. Yes, welcome to Moby Dick Mini Golf. So yeah, I signed up for this a little while ago. I think I've done a biker down quite a while ago, so it's always good to get up-to-date information. It should be all about being the first on an accident scene, dealing with accident scene management, managing the casualty, giving first aid, calling emergency services, and taking care of the casualty and all that kind of stuff. So let's see what we learn and find out. So it's good to have the ability and the knowledge and the skills to be able to use it. Whether you are then brave enough to actually do anything in an accident is a different question. I don't know the answer to that myself, whether I'd be, you know, willing to go and deal with some kind of gory casualty, bleeding, that kind of stuff, if I did encounter an accident. I'd like to think so, but you never know. I did actually have one earlier in the year when I stopped for a biker that had been knocked down. Thankfully he wasn't badly injured. He's already taken off his helmet. But from what I know from the last time I attended one of these, there's a lot of misinformation out there as to how to deal with a biker who's been injured. A lot of people say, you know, don't touch the head, don't touch the helmet. But last time that I went to one of these, the information was actually quite different. The paramedics were saying, you know, when I arrive on scene, I want to find the casualty with the helmet off, and they showed us and we practiced how to safely remove the helmet off of a fallen biker. So yeah, let's see what the updated information is, if it's any different at all from last time. So it's good to have the ability to help, even if and the willingness to help, even if when it comes down to it, you might not be prepared. You might be, and if you are prepared to help, it's good to know how to do it properly. You know, at least it shows the attitude. I'd like to think that I would lend a hand and assist a casualty, but you never know. Until shots are being fired, as they say. Anyway, welcome to Romford. So I should be there in a few minutes. Not sure how much photo or video I'm going to be able to take of the actual event and training. Stick around and find out, and I'll give you my updates on my way back. So catch you later. For now, it's NooBiker. Well, here we are. We're having this instruction at the London Fire Brigade. So
Not seen it in blue. Not seen it in blue.
Oh no, yeah, it was only available for like 1 year, I think.
Oh, was it?
Yeah.
Right, I've got the green and black one. Same.
Standard colours.
No, just black and green. Yeah.
Is that 1,000 as well?
Yeah.
Lovely bikes.
Yeah.
Disc lock?
Huh?
Disc lock?
No, you should be alright. The gates are shut.
Okay, alright.
Yeah.
I'll leave it then.
Yeah. Well, fingers crossed, as safe as it can be. Yeah.
You can take the biker out of London, you can't take the London out of the biker. Okay guys, so now the biker down workshop is finished. It was very interesting, delivered by trained firefighters, both of whom were bikers as well, and it just really gives you the sort of tools, techniques, procedures and systems for assisting if you should arrive at the scene of an accident involving a biker. So it tells you about the procedures for keeping yourself safe and not creating a new casualty, for assessing the injuries, prioritizing, the acronyms Dr. ABC, so danger, responsiveness, airways, breathing, and then call for help, commence CPR, that type of stuff. And as I was saying, the recommendation is definitely, there's a lot of misconception, but the recommendation is if you do arrive at the scene of an accident, if the rider is wearing helmet, if they're able to remove their own helmet, then they should do so, and if they are not, then you should try to remove the helmet for them, because you can't really administer CPR or assist them fully if they have the helmet on. You can't check the breathing, it's much harder. So yeah, and they show you how to do that properly, the right technique for supporting the head and minimizing the risk of injury. So I would definitely recommend anybody who rides and who is willing to do so to attend a biker down course and learn about these things. If you're out on a ride with your mates and one has an accident, it'd be nice if you were able to give them help and improve their chances of survival and recovery. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this one. Do share it with your mates if they're not already subscribers. By the way, I did get recognized by a subscriber when I was there, which was nice. Hi Andy, hope you're watching. Don't forget to give us a like and leave a comment. I'll see you in the next one, and for now it's Noob out. Bye bye.